Think seed oils are a healthy alternative to butter and lard? I used to think that too. But when you actually look at the evidence, the story changes completely. Here's what the research actually shows. Seed oils like soybean, canola, and sunflower oil are high in omega-6 fatty acids. Now, omega-6 isn't bad on its own, but the problem is the ratio. The average American diet now has a 20-to-1 ratio of omega-6 to omega-3, when the ideal for human health is closer to 2-to-1 or even 1-to-1. That massive imbalance drives chronic inflammation, which is a root cause of heart disease, metabolic dysfunction, and autoimmune conditions. Studies also show that the high heat processing these oils undergo creates trans fats and lipid peroxides, compounds that damage your cells and arteries. So if you want to cut inflammation, improve heart health markers, and actually reduce your disease risk, the evidence points to one clear step. Swap the industrial seed oils for traditional fats like olive oil, avocado oil, butter, and tallow. Your cells will thank you. I am Dave James from All Perfect Health. Check out the full article below for all the research and references.